Good morning. We've got 2 early morning inspections, one in Burnaby, one in Vancouver. Got to get a couple things done before the inspector comes. Let's crank it up. Woo! The existing drain was too high, and the cleanout was made of ABS, which isn't rated for fire approval, so we're swapping out the cleanout. We're lowering the teeth of the drain before the inspection. Let's get her done, boys. Yeah. So we got ABS in here, not approved for commercial. So we're going to swap that out to System 15 fire rated materials before the inspector comes here this morning at 9:30. The tool cut that they had the Fernco on, or the Cremco, isn't straight, so this is like the most important connection. So we're going to recut this nice and straight. There's ABS coming up out of the ground, which is approved because the fire separation is with the concrete floor, and then as soon as you come out of the ground, you've got to adapt to a fire rated material, which this time for us is going to be the gray stuff, System 15, and the existing vent up in the going up through the roof is copper, which is also fire rated. We're gluing the System 15 right under the ABS. When you're doing that, you want to use primer and PVC to ABS transition glue. If it was ABS, I'd just glue it on. I'd be really happy with it. Since this is a transition and it is the most important glue joint we're making today, I'm just going to hold it nice and tight here without any movement for a minute or two and just make sure she's stays set right on there nice and tight. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. What is this, a dustpan for ants? Has to be at least 3 times this size. Really wish I had my Reed Manufacturing fitting saber with me right now. Gotta do it the old-fashioned way. Guess every truck's gonna have to have one. Cut that, and then chisel that out with a flathead. Try and chisel around here if you can. Reuse this fitting. Looks perfect. Even if we're not touching the water in this area, you gotta fix any possible leak in the area you're working, because if the customer sees water on the floor, they're calling us, they're saying your shit's leaking. I'm rushing over here to fix it and find out that it was an old shutoff. Love these guys. This cleanout's made out of ABS, which isn't fire rated. This copper is fire rated. The T was too high to get our new drain hooked up, so we had to lower this. Change this to fire rated material at the same time. Take a look down here. New cleanout, lower T, fire rated material. Doing our testing now. Just checking out all the joints, visual inspection. If you ever find a kitchen sink with an overflow that's CSA approved, especially commercial kitchen sinks due to sanitation purposes, it's hard to keep them clean. So they've got this style set up for commercial kitchen sinks. Water fills up to here and then it'll overflow in there. And the reason you have overflows is so you don't leave the faucet running, forget about it, and have water coming over the edge, flood your place. Nice work, boys. Nice work, girls. As you can see, it's a really tight fit. We've got the wing back 90 threaded onto the back of the faucet, and then the PEX adapter to the PEX by 3/8 compression, drop down in 3/8.